Hannah was born with traumatic birth injury. It was an incredibly long labor, it lasted a long time, and in the end she suffered a hypoxic brain injury and a stroke. We found Texas Sports Hyperbarics when we were on a search of a number of different therapies for her to help her rehabilitation. We were very lucky that we had a physician friend of ours say to us that if you are looking for the height of human performance and help for your daughter, the best thing to do is to see what researchers are doing.
Hyperbaric oxygen treatment is taking a patient, putting them in a chamber, and exposing them for a specific period of time. We flood the chamber with oxygen at a higher pressure, usually 1.5 or 1.5 times the atmospheric pressure to 2 times the atmospheric pressure for 60 minutes. And then we do this 5 days in a row, and typically for 3 or 4 weeks for a total of 20 treatments to increase the oxygen in their tissues throughout their body.
The effects of the diving for the hyperbaric treatments for her has been that she has been much more relaxed. Her resting state is much better. Her demeanor is much better. It allows her to be much more alert. She's become much more vocal, and her response time to questions is much faster.
She's more cooperative, and just have seen a huge improvement in her overall level of function compared to where we started several months ago. Our hyperbaric technician will look in their ears to make sure that they don't have any ear infections or that they can clear their ears. They'll listen to your lungs and make sure there's no wheezing or evidence of a lung infection. Then you lie on the bed that slides into the chamber. The chamber's closed, and we gradually increase the pressure in the chamber with 100% oxygen and raise the pressure from 1 atmosphere, where we're all living, to 2 atmospheres, or roughly 30 pounds per square inch.
Any parent of a special needs child should investigate the clinical information behind hyperbaric medicine, and that if they were looking for a place to come and bring their children for treatment, that Texas Sports Hyperbaric would definitely be a place they should consider.